Yum.
Oh my god.
A whole cheeseburger.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
And that's why
I rolled it over her jaw. Like her jaw, I could fit my cranium into her jaw.
Yep.
She's got a really strong neck too.
Mm-hmm.
Good girl.
Happy birthday, girl.
Good girl.
She's 8 years old today. April 12th.
Okay, my turn.
Your turn?
Muff.
I believe it.
Muffin.
Lettuce and everything? Lettuce?
I'd pull the lettuce out because she won't.
If you're starting in on it, pull it off too.
No. What about tomato?
Yeah, she'll eat tomato.
Okay, Muff. Oh, you're sweet. Yum, 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 yum.
Mm-hmm.
You guys are going to kill my daughter.
She doesn't want the tomato.
She'll eat it.
I make this dish. Fish and tomato and butter.
Oh,
Cool. 2 chomps. Oh well. We got a few more burgers for her.
Not right now.
But thanks for coming, everybody. Out to Muffin's.
special, man.
Out to Muffin's birthday.
Good girl, baby.
Yeah. She's 8 years old.
Good girl.
Good girl. Yeah.